Going to the doctor for a routine checkup and walking out with strict orders to slash your blood sugar and drop weight is a frustrating reality for millions. It can feel like being placed on an endless treadmill with no clear path to actually fixing the problem. This diagram shows exactly how that problem starts inside your blood vessels. Carbohydrates are our primary source of energy, but when we consume more than we can use, those excess sugar molecules crowd the bloodstream. Eventually, they spill over and are forced into adjacent cells to be stored as body fat. So the logical fix seems simple: just eat fewer carbs. But staying on this same diagram, watch what happens when that sugar volume drops sharply to zero. Your stomach physically empties out, and your nervous system sends flashing, urgent warning signals straight to your brain. Those signals trigger intense starvation alarms. Your biology doesn't know you're on a diet. It thinks you're facing a famine. That relentless hunger forces you to overeat, driving new carbohydrates right back into the system. Sheer willpower cannot beat millions of years of evolutionary survival tactics. To actually manage your blood sugar and lose weight, you need a method that reduces carbohydrates without ever tripping those chemical hunger alarms in the first place. The solution relies on a precise chemical workaround known as a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet, or LCHF. By replacing sugar with dense fats, you can bypass the body's starvation panic. You put this into practice first thing in the morning by replacing a standard breakfast with a specific drink. In modern circles, it's called bulletproof coffee, though it shares deep roots with traditional butter tea, which has been served in high-altitude regions for centuries. The baseline formula is simple. You start with a standard cup of completely plain, sugar-free black coffee or hot tea. Next, you add 1 full teaspoon of heavy fat. Specifically, you want high-quality butter or pure clarified ghee. This diagram compares standard dietary fats to the second critical additive, medium-chain triglycerides, or MCT oil. Notice how standard fat is a long, complex chain, while the MCT molecule is short and streamlined. Pure MCT oil can be expensive to source, but there is a practical natural workaround. Coconut oil consists of 60 to 65% medium-chain triglycerides, making it a functional, cost-effective substitute. Stirring these specific fats into zero-carbohydrate coffee alters standard digestion. It is designed to signal to the brain a state of total fullness. Look at this diagram to see why this works. When you consume a standard, long-chain fat, it takes hours to digest, moving sluggishly through the intestinal tract before being shuttled directly into long-term fat storage. Because the MCT molecules are so small, they bypass the standard digestive process entirely. They move past the stomach cavity and route directly into the liver. The moment those medium-chain molecules hit the liver, they are metabolized for energy. They convert into small, usable units that provide immediate fuel for your system. While the MCTs provide fuel, the dense butter or ghee handles the physical cues. It coats the stomach lining, silencing the nerves that trigger physical hunger. You create a dual benefit. The body receives a wave of immediate energy to start the day, and you do it without allowing a single carbohydrate to enter the bloodstream. This sequence shifts your morning metabolic response. You operate on peak energy while your brain receives chemical confirmation that you are full. That morning routine creates a cascading effect for the rest of your day. Because your initial hunger is neutralized by pure fat, you arrive at lunch and dinner naturally desiring smaller portion sizes. This leads to a reduction in your overall daily carbohydrate intake. Without the constant influx of sugar, the blood sugar spikes flatten out, and your body can begin to tap into its stored weight for energy. This graph illustrates the timeline for those results. With strict adherence to this protocol, individuals have plotted a steady downward trend, seeing up to 4 kilograms of consistent weight loss every month. Keep in mind that significant dietary changes impact your systemic biology. Protocols for weight loss and carbohydrate restriction must always be monitored by a certified health professional. Bulletproof coffee acts as a strategic biological tool, using specific fats to help you manage your appetite and metabolism.